Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide or show formula bar in Excel. So this will be short video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So here we are. This is my Excel sheet, and if you missing your formula bar in Excel, there is a simple way or step you can hide or show your formula bar. So in my case, you can see there is no formula bar in appear in my Excel sheet, and I want to show my formula bar in Excel. So simply I have to go in view, and here you can find a show under the show option you can find the formula bars, and simply click on this, that you will be get the your formula bar in your top. So if you want to hide your formula bar, the same option you have to go in views and just untick the formula bar in showcase, and you can see there is a now there is a no formula bar is appear and it is hide now. So that is how you can show and hide appear formula bar. So in order to learn how to hide or show the ribbons in Excel, you have to check my another video, next video. So see you on my next video. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. Thank you for watching.